Hi and welcome to this video. My name is Brian Nelson from Encaustic Art Plus, based in Elsecar, South Yorkshire. This time we're just going to create a pattern using three colours, red, violet, blue and green on white card. We're going to put red, violet at the top, blue in the middle, green at the bottom. We're not going to worry too much if the colours blend up a little bit. Rest the iron on, push it through. That's covered reasonably well. Grab a bit of red violet, pop it in the corner. There we go. Just need a little bit of tissue. Give the side of the iron a wipe. Always use a nice protective pad of tissue so you don't catch your fingers. Throw the cable round your wrist. I'm just going to saw with my iron on that way. One in the middle. And one at the top. There's a quick little pattern. Suitable for a greetings card or a background. This time I'm going to load the iron with 3 bands of colour to create a pattern. Going to put blue in the middle, red violet at the bottom, and I'm not going to worry that some of these colours are going to mix, green at the top. Just let the iron rest and slide through. The red, violet and the blue have blended, created purple. I'm just going to apply the colours again in roughly the same areas of the iron. There we go. I'm just going to take a tissue, give it a quick clean, trying to get it reasonable. There we go. If you get stuck and you end up with a bit of a mess on your iron and you're doing something like this, take the lighter of the colours you're using and it'll help you to dilute down the stronger colours. Just pop the iron on and lift and down and lift and down and lift, down and lift and down and lift, down and lift. Right, as you can see there's not much wax in that area. That's why we've got a bit of an issue. What I'm going to do, give my iron a quick clean, reapply the colour, go straight back over the top. We've got red violet at the bottom, we've got blue in the middle, and we've got green at the top. Don't worry if the colours run into one another a little bit. Absolutely fine for what we're doing. Nice thick covering wax. Just give the iron a quick clean. Nice clean bit of tissue. Rest your iron in. Up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down. Then wipe off the majority of the wax that's there. So if you went straight back in with that dark colour all over your iron, I'm going to go up here, down, up, down, up, like so. Give that a quick clean again. We're going into dark wax on this other corner anyway, so we don't need to be too precise. Down and up, down and up, down and up, down and up. And that's created as a nice little pattern. Again, could be used for a greetings card or background. Startings of many a journey of encaustic art. Happy painting everyone, and we'll look forward to seeing you all in our next video. Please hit like and subscribe.